This is how I mix my soda ash water for using the Pariah method. And the soda ash solution is mixed 1/4 cup of soda ash to 1 cup of hot water. I'm also going to show you the difference in water temperature when you put the soda ash in. Right now, my hot water from the tap is 115 degrees. Now I'm going to pour 1/4 cup soda ash in. And I always use a cloth on the outside because it is going to get very hot. I'll show you the difference just after that little bit of shaking. $145. It's a 30-degree difference with just that little bit of shaking. It's important to shake the hell out of it. Any undissolved particles will get clogged up in there and mess up your application. Soda ash doesn't like to dissolve in cold water, so use hot water when you're mixing it. Just keep in mind that it's going to raise the temperature of that water significantly. I let mine cool down to about 125 before I use it. Well, hey, thanks for watching. And if this helped, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel, High on TieDye. I'm going to go smoke a joint now while this cools off and use it on a shirt that I've been dyeing all night. Peace.